What is happening in the world of electric vehicles? Tesla's Elon Musk just dropped a massive $1 billion stock buy, sending shockwaves through the market. But wait, there's more. Tesla's German Gigafactory is gearing up for a major production boost. What does this mean for the future of EVs, and what's next for Tesla stock? Stick around, because we're diving deep into all the electrifying news. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to ElectroDrive News, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Elon Musk's billion-dollar bet on Tesla. Tesla shares are absolutely soaring, jumping over 6% in early trading after CEO Elon Musk revealed a massive $1 billion stock purchase. This isn't just any buy. It's a powerful signal of his unwavering confidence in the company's future and a significant move to bolster his voting power. Musk acquired a staggering 2.57 million shares on Friday, September 12th, at prices between $372.37 and $396.54. This influx of capital pushed Tesla stock to its highest point since January 22nd, marking a strong recovery from an earlier 45% drop. This strategic investment aligns perfectly with Tesla chair Robin Denholm's ambitious plan to award Musk a $1 trillion pay package and strengthens his aim to secure 25% voting power, up from his previous 13% stake. This move comes after Musk sold over $20 billion in stock prior to his Twitter acquisition in 2022, making this buyback a clear indicator of his renewed faith in Tesla's trajectory despite earlier market challenges. The market is buzzing, with analysts and investors alike cheering Musk's bold move as a strong vote of confidence. Public sentiment is overwhelmingly positive, seeing this as a stabilizing force for Tesla's stock performance. But is this just the beginning of Tesla's comeback? Find out what's next as we uncover Tesla's plans to ramp up production in Germany. Tesla's German Gigafactory gears up for a production surge. Tesla is set to significantly increase production at its German manufacturing hub for the rest of the year, driven by a notable uptick in sales of vehicles produced at the Grünheide plant. This strategic move signals strong optimism, with encouraging trends observed across all markets served by the facility. According to André Thierig, the head of the Grünheide plant, the facility is experiencing very good sales figures, prompting an upward revision of production plans for the third and fourth quarters. Thierig stated, "We supply well over 30 markets and definitely see a positive trend there." This surge comes despite recent reports showing a dip in Tesla's overall sales in Germany for July and a year-to-date decline. While competitors, particularly from China, are intensifying the market landscape, Tesla remains confident. Analysts are watching closely, with some speculating that Elon Musk's public engagements might be influencing consumer demand, though the company highlights broad positive trends. Despite a slight sales drop in Germany and a broader year-on-year decline in Q2 2025 revenue, Tesla is seeing remarkable growth in specific markets like Norway, with a 21.3% surge in registrations. This resilience in key EV markets underscores Tesla's strategic positioning. Could this production boost signal a turning point for Tesla's global sales? Stay tuned as we break down Tesla's latest stock movements and what they mean for investors. Tesla's stock on the move, Committee Insights. In a dynamic market, Tesla's stock performance is drawing significant attention from committees and analysts alike. Recent movements suggest a complex interplay of executive confidence, production strategies, and market sentiment. This segment delves into the latest committee analyses and stock performance indicators for Tesla. We'll explore the factors influencing its valuation, from Elon Musk's recent substantial stock purchase to the production ramp-up at the German Gigafactory. Understanding these committee perspectives is crucial for grasping the short-term and long-term outlook for Tesla. Market watchers are keenly observing how these developments will impact Tesla's position against a backdrop of increasing competition and evolving consumer preferences in the EV sector. But how does this all tie back to Elon Musk's massive investment? We've got the full story on Musk's $1 billion buy that's fueling the Tesla rally. Elon Musk's billion-dollar confidence boost for Tesla. Tesla's stock is igniting, fueled by a massive $1 billion stock buy from CEO Elon Musk, which analysts are hailing as a powerful testament to his confidence in the company's future. This significant investment is sending ripples of optimism throughout the market. Musk's recent purchase of millions of Tesla shares, detailed in an SEC filing, underscores his belief in the company's trajectory and his strategic goal to increase his voting power. This move is particularly noteworthy given his previous sales of Tesla stock and his high-profile acquisition of Twitter. The timing of this investment, amidst ongoing market fluctuations and the company's production adjustments in Germany, highlights Musk's conviction in Tesla's long-term prospects. The market reaction has been overwhelmingly positive, with analysts pointing to Musk's buy as a crucial indicator of stability and future growth, reassuring investors and stakeholders alike. That's all the electrifying news for today. But don't go anywhere, we've got a lightning round recap coming right up. And that's a wrap on today's electrifying updates. Elon Musk has made a massive $1 billion stock buy, showing serious confidence in Tesla's future. Tesla's German Gigafactory is boosting production, signaling strong sales trends. Committee insights are highlighting Tesla's dynamic stock performance, and Musk's billion-dollar investment is indeed fueling a rally. Loved this deep dive? Make sure you're subscribed to ElectroDrive News for all the latest. Hit that like button if you found this informative, ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next upload, and drop a comment below telling us what you think about these Tesla updates. Follow us on all social platforms for more exclusive content. See you next time.